The blank has three main stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. When heat, usually from the sun, changes liquid water on the earth to water vapor, which rises up into the air, it is called transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The part of the process that changes water vapor back into liquid water is called transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Blank is rain, sleet, or snow. Transpiration, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. As warm air rises, it meets cooler air in the atmosphere, which changes it back to water vapor and forms a blank. Puddle, cloud, heat, mountain.